Well, I'm literally looking like as if I've just jumped out of the bed and sat in front of the camera, and it's not completely false though, because I did get up very late today. So anyways, before I start the video, I first of all want to wish each and every one of you a very happy new year. And my only wish for this year 2021 is that we get back to the normality of life as soon as possible and no more have to worry about sanitizing the hand constantly and wearing the mask. But yeah, until that time occurs, I insist that you people wear your mask and also sanitize your hands as often as possible. So in today's video, I'm going to review the Some by Me Snail True Cica range. I have their cleanser, toner and moisturizer, and this particular range uses a good concentration of snail mucin filtrate and also the Centella asiatica, and these two are my most favorite ingredients that the skincare world has to offer. The Some by Me Snail True Cica range mainly focuses on two things, like it helps in calming down your skin and also it helps in improving the skin barrier. So I'm sure that many of you out there must be very curious to know what's the primary difference between the Some by Me Snail True Cica range and their very famous AHA, BHA, PHA range. And to explain that, suppose if you are breaking out a lot, you have lot of active acne and constantly you are seeing too many acne on your face. So at that time you will be using their AHA, PHA range to reduce that breakout and to treat the active acne. So you will be using this Snail True Cica range after that acne treatment, because many times what happens is intensive acne treatment product, they often lead to skin barrier issue. They often cause some redness and irritation. The Snail True Cica range will help in counteracting all that redness, irritation and skin barrier issue. So at first I have the Some by Me Snail True Cica Miracle Repair Low pH Gel Cleanser with pH of 5.5. Since the product says that it has a pH of 5.5, I was curious and I checked out the pH and it came between 5.5 to 6. And why I am mentioning this, because it is important that you use a cleanser that has pH between 5.5 to 6.5 and avoid cleanser at all costs that has pH above 7, because using a higher pH cleanser will dry up your skin, will damage your skin barrier. Coming back to the product, this cleanser is also SLS free, SLES free, paraben free, and as you can see from the list over here, this cleanser also contains many more amazing ingredients. It contains snail mucin filtrate, it also has centella and its bioactive derivative, it contains bird sap and licorice, and all these ingredients, they literally help in calming your skin, reducing the redness, and if you have tiny zit on your face out of irritation, it will instantly calm it down. I personally love this cleanser for my dry, sensitive and acne prone skin, but my sister who has not only dry and acne prone skin, but her skin is way more sensitive than mine, and many times cleanser irritate her skin and she often break out with them. But this particular cleanser has been working so well for her. She emptied this particular tube and I bought a second tube for her, and this has become her holy grail cleanser. If you have skin that is normal, dry in combination, this is a must try. Whereas for oily skin, I'm not very sure how much you people will like it, because this has that hydrating property and it doesn't give that squeaky clean finish. This cleanser has bergamot oil and sage oil, so if you have sensitivity towards these two essential oil, check out the sample first, or else this is a wonderful cleanser, a must try from this particular range. And next I have the Some by Me Snail True Cica Miracle Repair Toner, and this toner has a very watery, lightweight consistency, doesn't feel sticky or heavy on skin, and this toner is basically your skin calming product. And if you are looking out for something for intense hydration, this is not the product, but if you have issue of some redness, irritation, dullness, this is the product you definitely need to check out. So this toner contains handful of amazing ingredients. It contains 90% of snail mucin filtrate. It also has niacinamide, Centella asiatica and its bioactive derivative. Also it has arbutin and many more skin calming ingredients. So this toner will definitely help in reducing the redness, will also get rid of some dullness on your skin, and will even out your skin tone. Like my sister, like she has used this particular toner. I have been using it on and off, but this is her again, like another holy grail from this particular range. Like only this much quantity is left, and she loves this because she had some redness over her eyebrow, around her nose, and some uneven skin tone. If you have all this issue, definitely check this out. I think I will have to buy another bottle of this for her very soon. She has been loving this, and I feel that due to its consistency, all skin types can use it. Like if you have oily skin, this is going to be a fantastic toner for you people for all year around. But if you have like dry, normal and combination skin, this is going to be an amazing toner for the summer and monsoon season. And next I have the Some by Me Snail True Cica Miracle Repair Cream, and this is a very lightweight moisturizer, almost like a lotion. And if I have to compare the consistency of this moisturizer to that of the Cosrx Nail Cream, like they both have that slimy feel to it because of the good concentration of snail mucin, but I feel this is way more lighter than the Cosrx one. And additionally, this has so many skin calming ingredients. Like it contains centella and its bioactive derivative, tea tree extract, mugwort extract, and many more ingredients to calm your skin. And it also contains cholesterol, fatty acid, and 5 types of ceramide to repair your skin barrier. Oily people have been asking me for a very lightweight barrier repairing moisturizer. Like this is the moisturizer for you people. Oily skin, definitely check out this moisturizer. This is a very unique product. And whereas for like dry, normal and combination skin, I feel that we people can use this as a lightweight lotion beneath our thick moisturizer. Like I really want the brand Some by Me to come up with intense version or a thicker cream from this particular range. Again, like if anyone out there has the sensitivity towards bergamot oil and sage leaf oil, try out the sample first, because just like the other two products, this also contains those 2 essential oils. Additionally, that Some by Me changes the packaging of this moisturizer, because the consistency is so lightweight and the cream is so runny that often, like while taking out the cream from this tub, it spills. And this is why I wish that they change it to the tube packaging. Finally, to summarize my opinion, like if you have normal, dry and combination skin, their cleanser is a must try. Like do check it out. And if you have oily skin, their moisturizer is a must try, and their toner is something which is fit for all skin types. So I do have their serum in my mind. Like I definitely want to try out and review for you people. Like it's one of the most famous product from this particular range, but unfortunately I didn't have the time to try it out. But for my future video, I definitely have some plan to try out all the serums from Some by Me and then review them separately. So that's all for this video, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of content coming up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.